Hello friends, my name is Mayank Chuk and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am starting a series in which we will going to learn basic Python for AI engineers. This video will be going to have some presentations as well. So this is where Python truly shine and it connects directly to everything. And currently the complete industry is building all AI application using Python. So in this series course we will cover the basic Python to AI integration to RAG pipelines and agentic AI systems. So by the end of this series, you will understand not just why Python is great first as a first language for AI engineers, but specifically why it is the language for building AI and generative AI applications. At the end, we will get our hands on dirty by dive into the hands-on lab on this video. So let's get started. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my videos. Thank you. Let's go to next video. Here's the roadmap for this session. We have 7 topics. The first 6 covers Python fundamental, why it exists, its pros and cons, how it compares to R, which IDE we will use, and the modern vibe coding workflow with AI tools. Topic 7, Python for AI. This is where we connect Python directly to AI, machine learning, and generative AI work we will be doing throughout this series of course. This is the slide that answers the questions. Why does every AI application uses Python? So why does every AI course, every AI Azure OpenAI tutorial, every LangChain demo, every RAG implementation, why does every single one of them use Python? Let's get started. Python is beginner friendly by design, easy to implement, fast to develop, straightforward to debug, and built around readability. Open source, vast package ecosystem, versatile, beyond data science. Honest trade off acknowledged. This is the Python's ecosystem. Python versus R. Both language are excellent. Python for ML, AI, Gen AI, broad systems. R is for statistics. Concepts always beat syntax. PyCharm, Jupyter, Spider. We will use Jupyter via Anaconda. Ideal for interactive data science and teaching. Vibe coding. Python for AI. VS Code, solid baseline. Cursor AI, first learning. Cloud Code, agentic building applications. And Vibe coding loop. Idea describe in English. AI writes the code. Run and learn and iterate. This is the slide I have building to Python for AI. This is where it all comes together. Let me walk you through the complete Python AI stack from bottom layer to top. At the foundation is NumPy library. Everything in AI and data science ultimately comes down to number, array, matrices, linear algebra, operations. NumPy is what Python uses for all of that. It's the bedrock. On the top of NumPy sits Pandas. Pandas gives you data frame. The primary way you will work with tabular data in Python, loading CSV, cleaning missing values, filtering rows, joining tables, all pandas. So this is the first choice and first learn love for data engineers. The then Matplotlib and Seaborn for visualization. Before you model anything, you need to you need to see your data. These libraries produce the charts and plots that you let you understand what you are working with. Now we are into the machine learning. Scikit-learn is the gold standard for classical machine learning, regression, classification, clustering, dimensionally reduction. If you have heard of random forest, SVM, k-means clustering, these are all in scikit-learn. One important way, one import way. Level 1 up, TensorFlow and PyTorch for the deep learning. These are the frameworks that power neural network computer vision and neural natural language processing. PyTorch has becomes the dominant choice in research. TensorFlow is widely used in production. Now we are in the territory directly relevant to this course, LangChain and Llama Index. These are the frameworks for building LLM applications, chains, agents, RAG application, prompt templates, memory systems, everything you need to build an application on top of a large language model. At the very top of your stack, the Azure OpenAI SDK. This is what we use directly in this course. You saw it in the chat completion lab, the embedding lab, and the rack pipeline labs. One from OpenAI, import from OpenAI, and you have access to GPT models, ADA models, DALE model, and full Azure OpenAI offering. Let's move to next slide. Now, here is the key question, why Python for all of this? Every major AI framework, PyTorch, TensorFlow, LangChain, Hugging Face, Transformer, Llama Index, ships Python first. The, the OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, and Azure AI SDK are all Python native. Research papers from top universities and labs publish their code in Python. When you read a paper on Azib and want to run the code, it's Python. The entire community coveraged on Python, and that means the tooling, the documentation, the work stack overflows answers, the YouTube tutorials, the GitHub repos, all Python. And in this course specifically, we will use Python to call GPT via OpenAI or Anthropic, generate embedding with ADA to text embedding, build RAG pipelines with Azure AI search, create AI agents with LangGraphs, and deploy on any cloud. Python is not just a programming language for AI, it is the language for AI. If this makes you excited about what Python can do in this AI space, please like, share, and subscribe. And these 6 points tells the complete story of Python and data science and language. One, Python is a beginner friendly by design, readable, fast to develop, clear errors, the best starting point. Two, the ecosystem is superpower. NumPy, Panda, Pandas, Scikit-learn, PyTorch, LangChain, the OpenAI SDK, everything we will use in this course is free and a single pip installation away. 3. Python versus R. The AI for there is no debate. Python is a choice concept always beat syntax regardless. 4. We will use Jupyter Notebook via Anaconda throughout this course for its interactive cell by cell exploration. We will use VS Code cursor, which will also give us vibe coding capability with AI tools. Cursor and Cloud Code dramatically accelerate how fast you can learn and build. Use them as learning partner, not shortcut. Python is the language for AI, not one of language. The language in this course or series, we will take you from first Python cell to all way to production RAG pipeline on Azure or AWS or any cloud. Every step of this of that journey is Python. In the next lab, we will install Anaconda and write your first line Python code. Let's go. All the required softwares and environment for Python. Up to your choice. There are multiple options. You can install Anaconda. You can directly search Anaconda on Google, and on once you click on the first link of that Anaconda, you will get this one. One second, let me do this again. So this is, you need it because you have to set up for every project, you need to set up a virtual environment, and this is the one of the things you will find in enterprise as well. All the enterprises are using this, and for this one is free download. You can download and you can install. Uh, People use Conda for the creating the virtual environment. We will use UV, and we'll come to that as well. And Python also you can install. You can also get some help on the Pythons as well to install easily. This is also very easy. Release for Windows. You can download for Windows. You can download, and once it is download, you can install it. These are the things you have to install it for Windows. And for Visual Studio, you need as a tool, which is basically it is required for you to do any kind of a software development. It is one of the most used tool in the industry right now. So this is one of the tool you can use. If I'll open any libraries, let me see if I can. You can clone the libraries, you can open the folder, we will have the notebook in this. However, also we can use Python, sorry, cursor for that. Cursors also you can install, and you can use it for your labs one way cursor. And we will use cursor have some if you will really want to use high end vibe coding, then you can take the subscription. Otherwise it is for the light usage, it is okay to use the existing monthly plan for both GitHub Copilot and Cursor as well. If you'll go to my GitHub profile, you will get a UV. We will use UV environment. Means we'll create the environment using UV. This is my GitHub. Search for UV. You will get for nowadays for uh, every project I'm using UV. Let me see where it is right now. It is UV. So yeah, UV. So this is here I explained how after installing Python, you have to create for your project environment, how UV can help you on this. So this is the step-by-step guide you can take. You which we will use. So that's it, guys. If you like my video and want to, then please like, share, and subscribe. We'll meet the next session where we will directly jump on the first Jupyter notebook or first notebook for introduction, and also for my coming series for the questions related to RAG and AI engineering will be continue for the part 3 will also come soon. Thank you for watching.